got a good one? Well, this is a lot better than last week, isn't it? Of course, we didn't hit this place last week. Okay, yours is a keeper. Yeah, well hooked too. Nice one, yeah.
14 and a half. 14 and a half.
Yeah, so we didn't hit this place last week. Yeah, Paul's wasn't going to get away. He's got...
He got 2 lures in line.
Yeah, well hooked.
The 20th caller on the coastlines right now at 1-800-929-KOST.
That's a good idea.
Win 4 tickets to Coast 103's 19th annual Easter egg hunt at
It's a good 15 and a half.
Balls fish.
Yeah.
Beauty.
All right, my turn.
Yep. 1 out. That one's barely that one.
Yeah, he's well hooked. He wasn't getting away. All right, 3 fish. Not bad.
An improvement over last week.
Yeah, it sure is.